Hello everyone! Today's video I'm going to be showing you a week's worth of outfits, but I thought it'd be really cool to show you them while out and about downtown. I really love the city life, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So this first outfit is a really good representation of what fall looks like in Florida. This is only our first outfit of the day and we are dripping in sweat. So starting at the top, this is from a small boutique on Instagram. I think it's the Pinterest top of my dreams. I love how the knitting looks. I think altogether it just looks really cute. I've talked about it a lot in my other videos, so let's just keep on going. Then when we go to the shorts, these are from Express. I got these actually as a Christmas gift last year and I have loved them ever since, especially in the fall. These burnt oranges and the more muted tones are so perfect. Then if we want to go to this purse right here, this is from Yes Style. I love the white and gold detailing. I think that it's really cute. Then when we go down to the shoes, of course we're going to see these a lot today. These are just my really easy and basic Air Force Ones. And for my rings, I'm not really sure where they are from. If I remember the names, I will leave them all down below. But yeah, this is the first outfit. It's really comfy and it's super cute, but let's get on to the next one. Okay, here we are with outfit number 2. We are in front of Starbucks, so if people keep walking by, sorry. Starting at the top, this is a sweatshirt that I got last year from Aruzu Shops. I'm pretty sure another small business. We love them. Also, I forgot something, but I will bring it out. Gonna continue. So we have some shorts. These are from Amazon. They have the little, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really cute and I think it makes your waist look snatched. Then again, we just have the Air Forces. There's somebody coming, but in this time, you can just watch me while I pull something out of my bag, okay? 1 second.
Your hair is so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
It's so pretty.
Oh, thank you. No, so nice. And lastly, we have this hat from Shein. I know, we hate Shein. I think it complements this crew neck very well. And also lastly, there's nothing in here. So exposing all the influencers and the Instagrammers. It's just a prop, there's nothing in there. But yeah, here's the second outfit. Let's go get changed and let's put on the third outfit. We're recording. Okay. This is outfit number 3. I am giving these Florida fall vibes. Let me tell you again, the last time we checked it was like 88 degrees. It's more like 100, but anyways, let's get into it. I know you guys are probably also cringing with this. I don't have the prettiest phone case, so we're gonna do without a phone case. Starting at the top, this is from Jaying. I think it's such a pretty color. It is super unique. I actually used it in my last video too, so if you haven't already checked that out, definitely do that. Then I have this little kids mini skirt. It is from Sporting Goods actually. I think it's really cute. I also have it in white. It's just a little mini skirt, perfect for fall, perfect for layering also. Then I have these boots that are from Yes Style, super cute. If I want to get a little crazy, I can like pull up my sock right there and get a little sock moment, but it's too hot for that and we're just gonna push them back down. Next, I have this purse that I got probably like a year or so ago from Forever 21. It is just very basic, and if you guys don't already know, I just love gold. I love to mix in gold however I can. So yeah, I love how this is just a little spin-off of a regular purse. Then for my accessories, they're either from En Route or they're from a small business, which I will leave down below. Then almost forgot about my sunglasses. They are from Shein. Please don't kill me. But they are just very simple and they just bring up my outfit a few notches when I wear them like this. So that's why I'm rocking them today. Then my favorite part, which, come on in. These are my earrings that I got from Majuri recently. I love them. They're kind of just a spin-off of whenever I don't want to wear a basic coupe, and I think they're so pretty. So that is this third outfit. Let's go get changed and let's do the fourth outfit. Okay, so this is outfit number 4. I think this one is my favorite just because of the neutrals. If you know me and you've watched my videos recently, I literally love neutrals so much. I think they're so pretty, and especially in the fall time. So starting at the top, this is from Shein. So is the bag, but I think that they're really cute. I think that as long as I'm not overspending, I don't think I'm a terrible person. So for the skirt, it is also to match the last one. So I have the same one in white from Sporting Goods. Super cute. So the main element are the boots. I think that they are my dream boots. I actually got these at a small boutique in my town, and I will leave the link down below if I can find them, but they're just so cute. They are the perfect fall boots, and I love them so much. I think they complete this outfit very well. Let's go get dressed, and let's get to outfit number 5. And here we are with outfit number 5. Now I know I said the last one was my favorite, but I think this one is my favorite. It is just very easy. I talked about this in my last video. According to all my research, cable knit is very trendy, and I think this is a great way of how I am incorporating trends into my personal style. I first have this dress that I got like 2 or 3 years ago from Shein. I'm kind of going for a monochromatic, just like a black and white look, even though this is cream. So yeah, going back to the dress, I have this cable knit dress. It's super cute, and I think that it is very stylish and very easy to throw on. Then when we go to the accessories, I have this black purse again that I talked about in one of my other outfits. It is from Forever 21. Again, I am using the gold in the purse to tie together the gold in my earrings and my necklace and my rings. Then when we go down to the boots, these are my little booties, which I'm actually not sure where I got them from, but I will try to leave dupes down below. I know that I got them a few years ago, which is why I'm unsure of where I got them. Lastly, I have this little claw clip. Pretty sure I got this from the dollar store. Really easy and really simple, and I think this outfit looks very cute together. So let's go get changed and let's get on to the 6th outfit. Alrighty y'all, this is outfit number 6. I am going all out for this fall in Florida. As you can tell, because this is a good quality camera, I am sweating my butt off right now, and my makeup is almost completely gone. So this is outfit number 6. To start off with the top, this is from YesStyle. It is so cute and so comfy. I have this in a few different colors, and it would be so much better if it was actually cold outside, but since it's not, we're gonna pretend like it is. Then when we go down to the pants, these are thrifted, but they are actually Wranglers. I think that they're so cute, just different than any pair of pants that I've ever owned. Then for the shoes, again, just Air Forces, super easy, super comfortable, and I am also wearing them with some white socks just to add a little bit more depth to the outfit. Then I have this leather tote bag that I actually got as a gift recently. The brand is called The Sack. I'm not sure where it was bought, but the brand is The Sack. Then lastly, I have this hat, which is from Shein. I just wanted to add in a little bit more earth tones, so that's why I added this hat. And altogether, I am so proud of this outfit. So finally, many hours later, I am so ready to show you guys this last outfit. So let's go get changed and let me show you. And here we are with the last look. This one is more basic. It's more kind of like a night out, I guess. I mean, if we were going on a date right now, it would be perfect. So for the outfit, to start off, I know you guys are not going to be happy with me. This romper is from Shein, and so is this bag. I think that they're both really cute. And for the romper, I feel like you can do so many things with it, especially if you don't live in Florida where it's a billion degrees every single day. Then for these shoes, I am not sure where I got them from. I would not recommend them to anyone because you guys just saw live in action. It just came undone. Since I've been taking all these pictures, it's came undone about 4 times. These shoes are very cute, but they're not dependable, so I'm not gonna recommend them to you guys. Lastly, to throw in a little bit more fall vibes, I have these sunglasses from Amazon. I got them in the summer, and I just really like the orange tint. I feel like it's just something different, and especially when I'm trying to bring in fall vibes, it has the orange and the black, so I think it's perfect. So these are all my fall outfit ideas. POV, you are my paparazzi. You have seen me walking around town. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think they're pretty cool. And you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye.